Hello and welcome to tutorial for how to add website Speedy app to your Shift4Shop website. Log in to your website dashboard. Go to Shift4Shop app and search for website Speedy. Click on Install App. Enter your store URL and click to proceed. Click on Authorize. Go to your website dashboard and go to Website Speedy. Click on Get Started to start. Your 14-day free trial starts automatically. To get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. Website Speedy script boosts speed of whole website. We will only use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. For now, we will proceed with improving speed right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I am also going to manually check the speed without our tool first so we can match the updated speed with it afterwards. We will use Google Page Speed Insights, Pingdom, and GT Metrics for this. Let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script which is generated specifically for your website. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. Click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard. Hover to Settings, click on Design, Header and Footer, and click on Global Header. Add Speedy script code, click Enable and Save. Once you add the script, go to Manage App, click on Open, click Verify, and to proceed to Step 3. Let's check the updated speed here of selected page. And let's check speed on Google Page Speed Mobile and Desktop GT Metrics Pingdom to see the difference. That's it. You've successfully used Speedy to enhance your website speed.